So in yesterday's class, we have discussed about the physical properties of alcohols and chemical properties of alcohols. In chemical properties of alcohols, we discussed reaction with sodium metal. Okay. So now I'll continue that chemical properties of alcohols. So in chemical properties of alcohols, now I'll discuss about esterification. Okay. Esterification. Here, esterification. Esterification means here alcohols, it reacts with carboxylic acids. Alcohol, they reacts with carboxylic acids in the presence of acid. Acid means like you can take concentrated H2SO4 to give ester, then it is called esterification. So this is the definition of esterification. So what is esterification? Alcohols, it reacts with carboxylic acids in the presence of acid to give esters. Okay. So then such a reaction, it is called esterification. Okay, no? So what is the functional group of carboxylic acid? What is the functional group of carboxylic acid? COOH, right? Okay. So here I am considering the carboxylic acid. For carboxylic acid, here I am taking acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? Do you remember the formula of acetic acid? CH3 C double bond OH. This is acetic acid. So this acetic acid, it comes under carboxylic acid, right? So now this acetic acid, it reacts with alcohol. For example, here I am taking ethyl alcohol. I am taking ethyl alcohol. How to write ethyl alcohol? Ethyl alcohol. How to write ethyl alcohol? Okay, good. Ethyl alcohol, it can be written as C2H5OH. So here I am writing like this. C2H5OH. Shall I write like this? This one also, it comes under ethyl alcohol, right? C2H5OH. Now this carboxylic acid, it reacts with alcohol in the presence of acid. In the presence of acid. In the presence of acid means you have to take a concentrated H2SO4. Here I am taking concentrated sulfuric acid. And remember girls, and this reaction, it is a reversible reaction. Reversible reaction means the reaction, it takes place both forward direction as well as backward direction. Okay. So when carboxylic acid, it reacts with alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, there will be formation of esters. There will be formation of esters. So these esters, they are formed by removal of water. Esters are formed by removal of water. See here, how to write these esters means here. From this carboxylic acid, you have to remove OH. Okay, from carboxylic acid, you have to remove OH. From alcohol, just remove hydrogen. Okay, now from carboxylic acid, remove OH. From alcohol, remove hydrogen. Means there will be removal of what will be removed? What will be removed? Two hydrogens and one oxygen means H2O. Now what you will do means just join these two. That is carbon and oxygen. So now the product will be, what will be the product? CH3, C double bond O, and this carbonyl carbon, it forms bond with this oxygen. Okay, now you have to remember this one. Carbonyl carbon, it forms bond with oxygen. Means you will get, the product will be CH3. The product will be CH3, C double bond O, and to this carbonyl carbon you have to attach, what should be attached? Oxygen. Okay. Oxygen. After oxygen, what is there?
C2H5.
C2H5. Okay, na? See here, this one, it comes under ester. So this is ester. Remember, the functional group of ester is C double bond O. Okay. So this is ester. And the name of this ester is, I'm telling the common name. Here the name of this ester is C2H5 means it is ethyl, right? C2H5 means it is ethyl. CH3COO means you can consider it as acetate. Okay, na? So the name of the ester is ethyl acetate, and this reaction it is called esterification. Is it clear? Esterification
Yes,
definition
ma'am.
and equation. So what is meant by esterification? What is meant by esterification? Carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids reacts with the
Alcohol.
alcohols in the presence of acid to form
Esters.
esters. Okay, na? So this one it is called esterification, and remember, you have to remember this one. Esterification, it is a reversible reaction. Means the reaction it takes place both forward direction as well as backward direction. Okay, na? Now we'll see the mechanism. Girls, if you have any doubt, ask me in mechanism. Okay, now.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
first here, what are the reactants here? The reactants are carboxylic acid and alcohol, right? So in mechanism, first you have to take carboxylic acid. Esterification. In esterification mechanism, how the reaction takes place means here first you have to take carboxylic acid. So here I am taking acetic acid. So what is the formula of acetic acid? What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3
CH3
C double
C
bond
double bond O
OH.
OH, right? This is acetic acid. Okay. On this doubly bonded carbon, it contains two lone pair of electrons. Remember. Okay, na? So now you have to take a H plus ion. You have to take H plus ion. You will get this H plus ion from concentrated H2SO4. See here, girls, actually esterification, it takes place in the presence of acid. You have to take sulfuric acid, right? So from sulfuric acid, you will get H plus ions. Okay? Okay now. See here, girls,
Okay.
hydrogen it is having positive charge, right? Hydrogen it has a positive charge. Positive charge indicates it requires electrons. Okay now. Positive charge it indicates it requires electrons since it is an electron deficient compound. So this H plus ion it requires electrons. In this acetic acid, where the lone pair of electrons is present, lone pair of
Oxygen.
electrons it is present on oxygen. So this oxygen it donates the lone pair of electrons to this hydrogen. It donates the lone pair of electrons to hydrogen, right? So means there is a bond formation between oxygen and hydrogen. Remember. Okay now. Is it clear? Or
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
have any doubt in this one? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens? The lone pair of electrons which is present in oxygen, this oxygen it shares the electrons with hydrogen. So now there is a bond formation between oxygen and hydrogen. Okay. So now you have to write, see here, CH3, CH3, C double bond O. On right side there is a presence of OH. Now there is a bond formation between oxygen and hydrogen. That means now you have to write a bond between oxygen and hydrogen. Okay now. Since the oxygen is donating the electrons or sharing the electrons with hydrogen, this oxygen it should get a positive charge. Okay now. Oxygen it should get a positive charge. Okay now. Hello. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here. If you have any doubt in this mechanism, ask me. Okay, now. So see here. Now this oxygen is having, oxygen has positive charge, right? Positive charge means it requires electrons. Okay. Positive charge, it requires electrons. So now this oxygen, it takes the electrons which is present between carbon and oxygen. That means this bond pair of electrons It is taken by oxygen. Okay, na? Then you have to write a CH3. You have to write a CH3, C, double bond oxygen, it becomes a single bond oxygen, hydrogen, OH. And now this carbon, it should get a positive charge. Just tell me why this carbon, it should get a positive charge? Why should carbon gets a positive charge? What happens in this step? What happens in this step? Good. Actually, see here, ఈ step లో ఏమవుతుంది? This oxygen, it is having a positive charge. Oxygen ki positive charge ఉంది కాబట్టి, this oxygen, it takes this bond pair of electrons, right? Actually, this bond pair of electrons, it belongs to carbon as well as oxygen. Okay now. But the oxygen is taking the electrons. So that's why this carbon, it should get a positive charge. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it clear?
ma'am.
Means there is a formation of carbocation. Okay. In next step, here, now we have to take alcohol, ethyl alcohol. I am taking ethyl alcohol. What is the formula of ethyl alcohol? C2H5OH, right? Okay. In ethyl alcohol, oxygen, it has lone pair of electrons. Oxygen is having lone pair of electrons. Okay, now? Here, carbon has a charge, carbon has positive charge. Mechanism మీకు కొంచెము అర్థం చేసుకుంటే it will be easy. Carbon positive charge కదా. Positive అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి? It requires electrons కదా. It requires electrons. Here in this ethyl alcohol, where the electrons are present, where the lone pair of electrons are present, oxygen. So ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తుంది? This oxygen, it shares the lone pair of electrons with this carbon. Okay, now? Is it clear?
Yes,
Since
ma'am.
carbon is having a positive charge, oxygen, which is having lone pair of electrons, it gives to the carbon, and there is a bond formation takes place between దేని మధ్యలో ఇప్పుడు బాండ్ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి? అర్థమైందా మీకు?
Oxygen and carbon.
Girls, oxygen and carbon. Okay, good. Carbon, it is having positive charge. Okay, oxygen is having lone pair of electrons. See, lone pair of electrons, ఇవి రెండు షేర్ చేసుకుంటాయి. Okay, now means there is a bond formation between this carbon and oxygen. Is it clear? So now I am writing the compound here. You will get a CH3, C, OH. Here, girls, this OH which is present on right side, shall I write down? కింద రాయొచ్చా? ఇదే OH ని కిందికి రాయొచ్చు కదా?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
OH. And to this carbon, you have to attach oxygen. Okay, now means you have to write oxygen. On one side of oxygen, there is a presence of ethyl group. On other side, there is a presence of hydrogen. That means on one side, I'm writing C2H5. Hey. So on one side, you have to write C2H5 ethyl. On other side, you have to write a hydrogen. Okay, now. Since oxygen, it is sharing the electrons with carbon, this oxygen, it should get a positive charge. Okay, now oxygen, it should get a positive charge. Is it clear, girls? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see here, oxygen has a charge in the oxygen?
Positive charge.
Positive charge. Positive charge and the meaning enti?
It requires electrons.
It requires electrons. Good. మరి ఏం చేస్తుంది oxygen? This oxygen, it takes the electrons from this hydrogen. The bond pair of electrons which is present between oxygen and hydrogen, ఈ bond pair of electrons ఉంది కదా, this bond pair of electrons it is taken by oxygen. Okay na, కొంచెం careful గా వినండి. The bond pair of electrons it is taken by oxygen, then the hydrogen it is removed in the form of H plus. Actually hydrogen it is removed in the form of H plus. But what happens means here, the oxygen in this one, the oxygen it is having lone pair of electrons. That's why this hydrogen it moves towards this oxygen. Okay na? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What happens? ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది మా? Oxygen it is having a positive charge. So the bond pair of electrons it is taken by oxygen. Now the hydrogen it moves towards this oxygen. Okay na? Means there is a bond formation between this oxygen and hydrogen. Then you will get Cl. What you will get means, what is there? ఏముంది చెప్పండి అక్కడ? CH3. CH3. Are you able to see the screen? Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Now it is visible, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Here.
ma'am.
You will get CH3. Now, so what you will get CH3 bond C OH OH, and this hydrogen also moves towards this oxygen. Means again you have to write one more hydrogen, right? Okay now.
Okay, ma'am.
Next C2H5. Okay. And this oxygen it should get a positive charge, because oxygen it is a divalency, but here there is a formation of 3 bonds, so that's why you have to write a positive charge. Now here last one. Now you will get the product. Here oxygen is having, oxygen has a charge oxygen ki, on oxygen there is the presence of
positive charge.
positive charge. Positive charge. So it requires electrons kada?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen clear gunda meeku?
లేదు,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay now?
Okay, ma'am.
See here. What happens means, this bond pair of electrons it is taken by oxygen. Means there will be removal of H2O. There will be removal of H2O. Then you will get CH3. ఏముంది చెప్పండి? CH3 C OH C2H5. Okay na? Actually see here girls, this bond pair of electrons it also belongs to carbon, but this bond pair of electrons it is taken by oxygen, and this molecule it is removed in the form of H2O. So that's why this carbon it should get a positive charge. Okay. And last step. Here Since carbon is having positive charge, this bond pair of electrons, it moves between oxygen and carbon. Means there is a bond formation between oxygen and carbon, and this hydrogen, it is removed in the form of H plus. Okay. Now at last you will get CH3, CH3, C, double bond O, C2H5.
H5.
At last you got ester, ethyl acetate. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this is about mechanism of esterification. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
One thing you have to remember, wherever the positive charge is present, that positive charge, either it moves towards the negatively charged atom, or it moves towards the atom containing lone pair of electrons. ఈ పాయింట్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలమ్మా. పాజిటివ్ చార్జ్ ఉందనుకోండి, అది ఎట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవ్వాలి? This is a hydrogen which is having positive charge, right? This hydrogen, it moves towards the oxygen which is having lone pair of electrons, since it requires the electrons. Okay, you have to remember this point. Okay, now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about esterification. Now tell me, what is the statement of esterification? What is the statement of esterification? Alcohols reacts with the
Carboxylic acid
in the presence of
of concentrated to
H2SO4 to get esters.
esters.
to get esters. So that is esterification, and remember it is a reversible reaction. Okay. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we'll see the oxidation of alcohols. Now we'll see the oxidation of alcohols.